Let's go out there and show you what's going on. I was precocious as a youth. Let's show you what's going on out there with the forecast, though. We are looking at a beautiful, beautiful start to the day. You can see the moon setting right there. Actually, we have what is known as a waxing gibbous moon out there. It'll be very full very soon. We're going to get to that in just a second because we got something really cool to talk about over the weekend. But here's what we have happening elsewhere. A beautiful start to the day out in Newark. Our sunrise almost here. In the next couple of minutes, we're going to watch that sun peek up over the horizon. But look at this gorgeous start to the day. We have a couple of clouds. Whenever you have the clouds out there, always makes for a really nice sunrise. If you have some of those thin, high, wispy clouds, because you can scatter some of the sun's light and really get the oranges and the reds and the purples in there. But your current temperatures, upper 50s right now in Coshocton and Zanesville, mid 50s down in Logan and Lancaster. We're looking at 63 here in Columbus. And your hour-by-hour outdoor workers forecast up to about 65 by 8 o'clock. We're talking about 71 at lunchtime, 76 by noon. We'll end up with a high of 82. A few more clouds out there than we've seen the past couple of days, but still, we've got that UV index very high at a 9. Skin damage for some in around 15 to 20 minutes, so make sure you're putting on the sunblock if you're spending any extended period of time outdoors. And it's going to be nice out there this evening, so great night to grill out. Could have dinner on the patio as well. We'll give it 3 green spatulas. Looking pretty good as we look out onto your satellite and radar imagery. Dry across the Buckeye State with a few clouds starting to sneak in here and there. Got to watch out over the weekend. Tomorrow afternoon and evening, western Ohio, parts of Indiana could see a few isolated stronger storms. We could see a few more of those tomorrow night on into Sunday morning with some winds being the main threat. So we'll be watching out for that as we head through the weekend. And it looks like we'll dry out a little bit as we get on into your Sunday afternoon, but you can't rule out a lingering shower Sunday afternoon. Full moon officially here at 12:14 in the morning on Monday. Full flower moon because this is when flowers are in bloom. Also the full planting moon, and it's also known as a super moon because it's a little closer to the Earth. So if you actually see it near the horizon, it'll look a little bit bigger. But we also have a lunar eclipse, so we can call it a full blood moon. Total eclipse, you'll be able to see it here. It starts Sunday night at 11:29. The full eclipse begins. Maximum eclipse at around 12:11 on Monday morning. It's worth staying up for if you've never seen one. And then that eclipse ends shortly before 1 a.m. on Monday morning. At least the full eclipse does. Another warm and sunny day out there. Pop-up storms over the weekend. Cooler with a start to the next week, so that'll be nice. We're going to cool off a little bit. 76 degrees, that's where we are at lunchtime. We're looking at 82 degrees for a high today, and then we'll drop back to 62 overnight with a high of 82 tomorrow with some pop-up storms. A little muggier out there tomorrow, but it's not going to be an all-day washout. So 82 today. We have some storms out there tomorrow afternoon and some into the evening hours, even into the overnight with temperatures topping out near about 80 degrees over the weekend. A little cooler as we get on into next week with temperatures in the low to mid 70s. Watching out for some more rain, which is why we have an inclement weather day, kind of a inconvenient day on Wednesday. 82 degrees on Friday, and then the chance for some more rain late in the 10-day. We'll have more on that throughout the week if any changes come, so we'll keep you posted.